I'm going to show you how to use the Advanced Paste in the Powertoys, which we've downloaded and installed. Powertoys, I have it on, and I'm going to just show you how it works. First of all, I want to show you the clip and paste, or snip and clip. Well, anyhow, Windows Shift R. We'll call up the snip and clip. And in this particular case, I can just get a video of what I'm doing or the camera or whatever, but I want to get something on my clipboard. So I'm going to go here for text extractor, and I'm going to show you this because this is one of the features. This image I have here is of the front of a book, and so I'm going to try to get the text off of it. And so I'm going to clip this area because I'm just wanting the text, and it has an OCR capability of the default snip and clip. And I'll come up here and say copy all text, and then I'll come out here to Notepad Plus actually, and I will paste that. And of course you see it did a pretty good job here of getting that text, 1000 EBDD whatever, weight control, and there it is. And that's the default snip and clip one. However, now I can do the Windows Shift V to call up the advanced clip, and we can do plain text, paste as markdown, and paste as JSON. So if you're doing some programming, it's helpful. So first of all, I want to show you the default of the OCR capabilities of the snip and clip. But now we have that image, and I mean image, into our clipboard. I'm going to show you plain text from the advanced. Same thing, but can also do, for those programmers, markdown. There it is, right here. I'm going to press enter to start a new line, and we can also do JSON. There it is as a JSON. So you can actually do that. There's many other things you can do with the advanced paste, but that's kind of things you can do with it. So again, you have your default, same thing in here, just OCR, and your default snip and clip does OCR, but you can also do these other markdown and JSON.